Hey, welcome back to my channel. BougeRV 12-volt refrigerator 12V car fridge. Warranty for your rights. With CE and FCC certificated, we guarantee you a 2-year warranty for the compressor and all other accessories. If you have any questions, please reach out to BougeRV. We provide 24H friendly customer service. Package included: removable partition, DC power cord, AC power cord, and user manual. Fast cooling, time and money saving. With compressor refrigeration technology, this 12V portable freezer could achieve 16-minute fast cooling from 77 to 32 and 50 minutes from 77 to -5, keeping your food fresh. No ice needed, no food spoiled, money and space saving. Eco mode, energy efficiency. With ECO energy saving mode, this 30-quart portable refrigerator's operating power is less than 45 W. Even running on max mode, it consumes far less than 1 kilowatt-hour day for its intelligent cycle work. You can run this portable freezer fridge with 1224V DC power on various vehicles, such as SUV, truck, RV, camper, Jeep, van, boat, etc. Low noise, quiet sleep. The truck freezer is designed 45 dB low noise to make sure you a good sleep after a long driving. This camping fridge also has a shock-proof design to face the uneven road, operating with no problem in case of a 30 inclination when you are off-road. 3-level voltage. Protect your car. The RV fridge freezer is equipped with a 3-level battery monitor to prevent the fridge from draining your vehicle's battery. You can choose at what battery voltage the fridge shuts off to prevent complete battery drain. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.